Apart from using shared views with Vault Professional, Fusion Team gives you data available anywhere on any device. In Vault, you set up folder mappings with your Fusion Team projects. You simply select the Vault folder that you want to upload from, and then select the Fusion Team folder to receive the data. You can optionally set the synchronization required, or alternatively, just manually select Upload. Your team can then access critical project details from anywhere on their web browser or mobile device. In Fusion Team, you can manage your users and include your supply chain in the design process. Models are safeguarded from download and user access is managed by the project administrators. Simply invite team members to join your project, and once accepted, they can access and view the data that you have shared. They can log in and then follow or track projects and get notified with any changes. With Fusion Team, your team members can view, share, review, and markup more than 50 2D and 3D design file formats. These include non-native Autodesk file types. Directly inside of Fusion, have a look at 3D models and their associative data, as well as other files such as PDF or AutoCAD drawings. Here you can see an example of a simple view, redline and markup taking place. The user adds any details that he wants and then shares it there and then. Having access to the activity inside a Fusion Team, I can see user access and acceptance to joining the project. I can also note that a red line has been made on a particular file. I'll review, which then triggers a required change to this layout. Back in Vault, I can revise the file to make the change. Then I can just simply sync the file back to the Fusion Team project. Inside Fusion Team, version 2 is now the latest file, and comments can be added to further notify the changes.